get into the details of the Charger Hellcat Widebody. Though its name is now quite the mouthful, the Charger Hellcat really has aged like a fine wine. For the 2020 model year, the Widebody is the only available trim, so if you're not into those added flares, tough luck. But let's be honest, if you liked the Hellcat's looks before, there's no reason why you should hate this one. It's more aggressive and all around, it just looks better.
The SRT Hellcat is powered by a 6.2-litre supercharged HEMI V8 engine, producing up to 717 horsepower and 650 pound-foot of torque. The red-eye version boosts this to 797 horsepower and 707 pounds-ft of torque. Top speed and acceleration. The Hellcat can reach a top speed of around 103 miles per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.6 fucking seconds. Aggressive styling. The exterior features a menacing design with a wide-body option, large air intakes, and a distinctive hood scoop to help with engine cooling and performance. Inside, the Hellcat offers high-performance seats, premium materials, and a driver-focused cockpit with advanced infotainment systems. Adaptive suspension. The Hellcat comes with an adaptive damping suspension system that can adjust the stiffness of the shock absorbers to provide optimal handling and comfort. Braking system, equipped with high-performance Brembo brakes, providing excellent stopping power to match the car's immense performance. Distinctive exhaust note. The Hellcat's exhaust system produces a distinctive, aggressive sound that is unmistakable and adds to the car's character. The SRT Hellcat is significantly more powerful than other Charger models, such as the RT or Scat Pack. So what did you learn today? This shit stands out in the muscle car segment, offering a hell of power, performance, and style. Now hit that subscribe button right away for more content.